Hello, Saber Junkies. So I just got finished with this Vaders Vault Maelstrom. So I designed a chassis and had this printed at Craft Cloud. I think it turned out really nice. There's nothing extreme about this setup. You know, we don't have a bunch of LEDs going on here. It's got a 24mm speaker there. Prop V3. Now I left the board the way it was, and although I did do some rewiring, I left the programming and everything the way it was. So on this hilt, just because of the way that it fits, it's a pretty tight fit here. I believe you're going to get a little bit of rub off right here along the speaker, and there's really not much I could do about that unless I wanted to take all of this off, pull the leather off. I could turn this down on the inside here. I can't really sand this off anymore, just because it would get into the wires of the speaker. But this is a nice fit. Locks down exactly, compresses on the speaker. So it's going to have a really good sound to it.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
So there is two, let me do it with my wrench. There's two set screws here. This one locks down the chassis, so that one stays. And I did change out the PCB on this too, by the way. The other one was just not, well, I just didn't like it. Honestly, I don't know the button props on this. The config file was not on the SD card. So, yeah, I had no idea. So, one of the reasons I left it the same, but I know you're going to set it up anyway, so.
Ben Solo.
It does have a really good sound to it, though. Very, very pleased with the sound on this. I wish that I knew who did the powder coating and stuff like that so I could credit them. Honestly, I don't know. But either way, there it is. Turned out really nice. It was a fun chassis to build. Tight space. But I was able to make it to where the board was accessible more than the other one was. Got your kill switch right here. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and you guys have a great one, and I will see you on the next one.